Hey guys, welcome to my video. So today I'm going to teach you how to color grade your videos using free LUTs provided by Filmora. Yes, you heard me right. These are free LUTs for you to use. You don't have to pay anything for this, and you don't need to look no further. These LUTs are available within Filmora that you can use to edit your videos. Now these LUTs can be very handy. They help make your video look cinematic and also make it look like it's coming from the movies. So how easy is that? So today I'm going to teach you how to use it, so make sure you stick around till the end of the video because I have a clip that I demonstrated to you all the free LUTs that you can use to edit your videos. Now before anything else, let me demonstrate to you how you're going to apply LUTs and color grade your videos using the LUTs provided by Filmora. Let's head over to Filmora 10. So the first thing you need to do is basically drag your videos to your timeline and make sure that the video that you wanted to color grade is in your timeline. And then the next thing you need to do is double click that video and go to Advanced Color Tools and then go and click Color Correction. Now, when the window pops out, you need to go to Preset and head over to 3D LUT. Now here you could see many LUTs, color grade LUTs that you can use and apply to your videos. Now for demonstration purpose, let's just choose one. Let's do Batman, and then once you've chosen, click OK. Now, if you have so many videos in your timeline that you wanted to color grade in one go, there is a shortcut that you could use. Let me show you how. So simply go to Effects. Now in the Effects, search for LUT Custom. Now you could see LUT Custom. Now drag it on top of the video that you wanted to color grade. Double click 3D LUT and then choose the LUT that you wanted to apply to that video. For example, let's apply black and white. And then click OK, and there you have it. One clip is already color graded. Now to color grade all the videos that you have in your timeline, simply drag the custom LUT till the end of the video in your timeline. And there you go. All the videos have been color graded in one go. There's no need for you to color grade or apply the LUT each clip that you have on your timeline. How easy is that? It's so easy to apply. And now I'm going to demonstrate to you a clip that will showcase all the free LUTs that you can avail in Filmora. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like if you want to see more of my tutorial videos. Now, are you ready for the magic? Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go! There you have it, guys. That's how you color grade your videos using the free LUTs provided by Filmora. I hope you find this video very helpful, and I hope this will inspire you to create very unique and very interesting videos, and hopefully you could apply all these techniques to your video editing. Once again, this has been Clive, and I shall see you on the next tutorial. Bye!